welcome back to my channel. And it's currently 7:38, and since my mom left, I want to bake her an early Mother's Day cake. It's really hard for me to make things for her because she stays home like 24/7, so it's like you can't really do anything because she's around. So it's like, why isn't it the perfect time to make her a cake, an early Mother's Day cake, while she's gone for like 2 hours? Hope I can get it done. And I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes. But yeah, this is the earliest I've woken up for quarantine. I was nearly like knocked out, but it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna make her, I don't know what kind of make. I should make her like a 2-layer cake or make her just like one rectangle. I don't know. We're gonna see. So now y'all can see. It's too dark. Yeah, Monterey just left me. She knows a word about mosquitoes. And she's all, bye sis. We're gonna go to the kitchen. I'll see y'all there. So I have this cake mix, strawberry with whipped vanilla. My mom says she just got to the store, so I need to hurry up. Here's my mixing bowl. I've been watching Netflix because I've been hooked on some shows, and I've been, if you haven't seen Ozark, you need to go see that for right now. Bomb. I'm gonna watch it, and it's like so good. I didn't expect it to be like how it is. I'm not gonna spoil it, but yeah, it's so important. So I have these 2 small ones. Because I can't find the non-stick spray, so I'm just gonna get oil and just smear it around circle things. First time ever that I'm gonna make her something that she doesn't know, because it's supposed to, I'm supposed to make this on Sunday, and little does she know I'm making it today. So
Coronavirus!
I'm gonna eyeball it because I don't know what it's even. So with my handy dandy little spatula. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. I gotta tell y'all, look at my dad did this dimming thing light, and it dims my room. So cute. That's exciting. My room was a lot brighter, so now y'all can actually see me. Okay, I just did the cakes, and that's like the quickest I've ever done, honestly. But I really want to make it special for her, so I wanted to hurry up and do a cake. So I'm actually doing a cake around 7 in the morning. Who makes a cake at 7 in the morning? Me. I don't even know if I should put makeup on. should I put makeup on? I'm just gonna show y'all when I'm done with my makeup. And when I'm about to ice the cake. Oh, and I'm gonna cut it too. Good one with a 2-tier. And yeah, I'll see y'all guys. Hold on, let me put my serums. Okay guys, so I'll see y'all when I'm gonna be icing the cake. So I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna split it in half, and then I'm gonna tie-dye some of it pink. So it's cooling down right now, so I'm gonna get this ready. So I'm putting it in a Ziploc bag because I don't have one of those things. Mine's gonna get all mixed because whatever. Kind of tie-dyed it together. And I'm gonna melt this. I was thinking about melting this so I can like kind of drizzle it. And I'm waiting for these to get warm. I'm gonna see if I can hurry up and just flip it. Oh well, the bottom stick, what the heck? So we're trying. Okay, have these sprinkles. And then I'm gonna do these edible glitter silver stuff. These just a little so it can stick real well. Surprisingly, I'm not tired yet. Maybe because I'm moving around. I tried to do my makeup real quick. All I didn't do is I didn't put lashes on, but that's it. I think today some of the nail salons open, so I don't know if my mom is gonna take us or take me. But guys, we'll be safe, quarantine, you know. But y'all girls need her toes on. So then we have our pink dye. We're gonna put this on top. So I'm gonna drizzle it. I'm gonna do a little bit of drizzle in here. Place that one on top, drizzle it, and then just put like pink icing. Ah, slowly coming out. Oh, half my cake. Oh my god. Half my cake's broken, but it's okay. Look at that. I'm laying it trying to drizzle. I have an idea. I think place it and just move it out. I think I just did something. So place it, move it.
just did that. So now we're gonna get the pink and I'm gonna cut it. So I did that. Pink around the line. Oh, I got some cake. Should I put it right here? I mean, the back looks bad, but the front looks cute. I just cleaned this. Okay, guys, so I did this to the cake. And I'm about to decorate with some sprinkles. And that's my finished cake for her. You can see the silver stars. It's not the prettiest, but it's okay. Oh my god, I have cake frosting or what? It's okay, it's not the prettiest, but it's okay. So if I plan on filming other than this today, then I'll put the rest in. But for now, this is the end of my video. I probably will get her reaction. You look good!
I think it was really good that it. What, you make breakfast? Okay.
Close your eyes.
Where? Jeez.
Close your eyes.
Where am I going? Where am I?
Happy Mother's Day!
You baked a cake? Oh my god!
Right when you left, I hurried up.
Jeez.
That's why I stayed up.
Oh my god, because you were gonna miss me.
Hey guys, so I just got home. I just did my toes. So let's look at the grind my toes. Oh my god, my hair. But this is my OOTD. I need to put up clothes. Look at that. But I went to Walmart. I got these cute organizers for my dresser because I needed to like organize in there because it's like I don't like it because it's like a mess and I needed to like really fix everything up. So I got 2 of them. They're the drawer organizers, the 7 sections, so they just open up and wet wipes. And guys, look at that, my curls went down. I curled my hair with a straightener. I tried, but it's okay. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye! But guys, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching my like 7 in the morning a.m. baking. But I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification every time you be notified when I post a video. And don't forget to have a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!